Do anybody got toilet tissue? Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, man. IKEA don't even have toilet tissue in here. Hello?
McGee,
Yes.
that's not a real toilet.
Yes, it is.
These are
This is
displays.
the bathroom.
We're at IKEA.
I know. This is.
Get off the toilet.
This is the I need.
I'm done with you.
Excuse me. I need toilet tissue.
McGee, this is IKEA. I'm done with you. I'm done. Goodbye.
Oh man. Nice backyard. It's a wall. It's not brick.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the toy from the far bottom of it. I don't think that's the one.
What?
I'm toy fishing.
Oh, okay.
Do you want it?
No, go. Try again. Try again. The one all the way at the very, very bottom. That's it.
That's
Thank
it?
you.
You're welcome.
Aw.
It's all yours.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Where is McGee at? I don't know where he went. What? What in the world? McGee. McGee. Get out of the. Are you laying in the
What time is it? I'm late for work.
Oh my. You gotta get us kicked out.
I'm late for work.
McGee, you're in a store. We're still in
Why you
IKEA.
wake me up?
I'm done with it.